welcome back to my channel. Basically in this vlog I'm just gonna try to get all my school supplies together, get my sleeping schedule together, try to start a diary, planner, bullet journal thing, try to finish up my vlogs. Yes. Oh, and I'm also gonna try out meal planning this week before classes actually start, so that I'll know how much food to prepare when I actually meal plan during the semester. So now I'm gonna do some stretching and then cook something to eat, and then so today I woke up at 12, which is kind of a fail for this video because I'm trying to wake up early in this video to like pace myself for when classes start because I have really early classes. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some lunch and then do some grocery shopping. Oh, don't look at that.
What's up? Say Yvonne, fake are you? Hi. 还问了北京呢？很想，应该是。